today I'm going to be teaching you a dance tutorial from the Nutcracker. Hey guys, it's Girls with Heart Ambassador Emma, and today I'm going to be teaching you a dance tutorial from the Nutcracker, and it's a little part from the Sugar Plum Fairy, so let's get started. Okay, so the first step goes tendu, beat, beat, which is in, and then goes out. And you do on ballet, and your arms are one straight line bend, so it goes down, up, down. Then it goes swivel into a back tendu. Then it goes pas de bourrée, which is back, side, front. Then you cut in front, and then you back, coupe. Then you go in and out again, in and out, and the next one's a pas de ball, which goes down, and then just presents. This goes, and then pas de bourrée. And this next part is a little challenging, but I think all you can do it if you just work on it, and yeah. So then you go here, and it's a back attitude, which is back tendu, and you just lift it up and bend it. So then you go here, and then you do it again, and you do this way, and you step back and tendu. So now we put it all together, and this is what it looks like. 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope you guys enjoyed learning this dance tutorial from the Nutcracker. Make sure to like and subscribe for more Justice videos.